Good day, fellow investors. My name is Sven Karlin, and today we'll discuss how the part-time investor can take advantage of call options. I suppose you don't have all day and all night to look at the computer screen and trade options, but you want to know how to increase your income and lower your risks. So stay tuned. As we already know, a call option gives the holder of the option the right to buy a certain stock at a certain strike price for a determined period of time, and gives the obligation to the seller of the call option to sell that stock at that price in that period of time. You should buy a call option when you have the certainty of you think there is a really high probability that the stock price will significantly increase. For example, those who bought a Tesla November 17, 2017 call option with a strike price of $335 for just $5 in March 2017 can sell it now, 3 months later, at around $40, as Tesla's stock price went from $250 to the current $340. Those who bought the stock, the actual Tesla stock, are up just 36%, while those who bought the option are up 800%. This is why options are an extremely attractive way to invest your money, because the returns are disproportionate. However, there is always the risk. If Tesla's stock price trades below $335 on November 17, all those call options will expire worthless, and the one that sold them will take the profits. So the thing with call options is pretty simple. If you think the stock prices will go up, you can easily buy call options. All you can lose is what you invested to buy the call option, while the upside is, as I have shown in the example, unlimited. Selling or writing call options is a completely different story. The seller of the call option gets his premium, and that's all he can get, just the premium, while his losses are unlimited, because if the stock price goes much higher, he has to cover for the difference. As I have discussed in the previous case of Tesla, the person that sold the call option got only $5 in March of 2017. But now, June 2017, he has to put up $40 to cover his position. Thus, his maximum gain was and will ever be $5, while his maximum loss is unlimited. There is a strategy for the part-time investor where he can do very well by selling call options and limit his risks. You can sell covered call options. A covered call options is when you actually own the stock you are selling an option on. So if the stock price goes up, your losses are you have no losses because you actually own the stock, and you can just sell the stock you own to the buyer of the call option. For example, if you are a happy Tesla stock owner, but you know that you will sell your position at $360 per share because you think at that level the stock is overvalued. What you can do is sell a call option with a 360 strike price for $28.71. If by November 2017 Tesla stock doesn't reach 360, you'll get to keep the premium, as the option will expire worthless. If the option expires worthless, the yield you would get on your Tesla stock through selling the call option is 8.6%. That's not bad for 6 months. If Tesla stock reaches 360, Well, you sell the stock at 360 and you get to keep the yield. So your practical selling price is 388.71. The problem with selling call options and covered call options is that you limit the upside. But if you are an intelligent investor, you know at which price you want to buy and at which price you want to sell, because the stock becomes too risky or overvalued. In the meantime, while you hold the stock, you get your dividends, if it's a dividend stock, and you can increase your yield by selling call options at the strike price that you would sell the stock anyway. To sum up about call options, covered call options are a good way to increase your income. Buying call options are a good way if you are certain of there is a really high probability that the stock price will surge and the call option is cheap. Selling uncovered call options is very risky, as the gains are certain and fixed and the losses are unlimited. So be careful out there. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you want to learn more about put options, check my video here. Have a great day and happy investing!